Hyacinth bean curry, the only side dish that you need for idlis, dosas, and rice. This is a traditional recipe that is delicious and comforting. Hyacinth bean have such a unique nutty flavor that levels up a standard curry. This bean is a superstar in certain regions, and this is called avarekalu in Karnataka, anapakaya in Telugu, it is in the Andhra region, Mochakotte in Tamil Nadu, valpapdi in Maharashtra. Today I'm cooking a pure Telugu traditional recipe which is made using the hyacinth bean which is soaked overnight and peeling the skin off. This is a delicacy from our place and this is everyone's favorite in my house. Let's see how to do this. Take some garlic, onion, tomatoes, fennel seeds, some corianders, curry leaves, garlic, and some chopped carrots and some chopped coconut and some hyacinth bean which is soaked and peeled, which is soaked overnight and the skin is peeled off in the morning. So we are using this hyacinth bean. Now let's grind the coconut, fennel seeds, ginger garlic and tomatoes into a paste. Okay, take a cooking bowl and let's add the chopped onions, the chopped carrots and hyacinth beans into it. Let's add in the rock salt as per your taste. And let's add in some turmeric, some chili powder, and some coriander powder. Add them according to the quantities you have taken and let's add in a tablespoon of oil into it and let's add in some water and give it a nice mix and let's get this boiled. Do not pressure cook this as the hyacinth bean is very tender. It can just mash into it can be completely mashed, so try to cook this only on a cooking bowl. Let's grind this into a paste. Add some water and grind it into a smooth paste and make sure it's not too watery. Let's check if this is cooked. So this is not cooked. Let it cook for some more time. This is well cooked now. Turn off the gas and take a bowl and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and add in the masalas like cloves and cinnamon into it. Fry this for a bit and once it is fried, add in the ground masala into it. Add in the curry leaves as well. Check the salt and add in a little bit of salt if needed. Let's add in the boiled hyacinth bean and the carrot mixture into this. Give it a nice mix and let it come to a boil. Mix it from time to time and make sure that this does not stick to the pan. Once this is cooked, take it in a serving bowl and add in the chopped coriander for the garnish. And this can be served with idlis and dosas and rice. This tastes delicious and equally good with everything, and rotis also. Do try this and let me know how you like it. Do like, share and subscribe for more such traditional, easy, homemade, healthy recipes. Add the Teju's home flavors. Take care until next time. See you in the next video. And yeah, do try this and do let me know what you call this beans in your place, and do write it to me in the comments below. I'd love to know in what different ways these beans are cooked in different places of India, and what are the different names with which these beans are called in different parts of the India. Thank you. Thanks for watching.